guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be doing magnetic mini tile art. But before we get started, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.
And check it out until the phone goes down.
So, this is how small it is. It's very cute, and it doesn't have the magnet on the back, but it does come with some magnets, and it comes with this little paintbrush, but we paint and paintbrush. But we decided we're going to use some of these too for more colors because those are kind of like small. But we are going to use some more colors. These are share colors. So let's get started. So first thing that you want to do is you could just like paint over it, but we're going to be drawing a design on it. And what is your idea going to be?
I think I'm going to do a heart, and then I might add some things around it, but all I know is I'm going to do a heart.
So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make a little dinosaur, and I like the cute dinosaurs, not the scary ones. So yeah, so I'm going to draw it. So these are very tiny. Oh no, what the heck is this? Okay guys, this looks really bad. Do you see this? Okay, well this looks really bad. Oh, this is really, really bad. Do you see this thing?
What's wrong with it?
It looks really bad. It looks bad.
Racist.
Ah, true. I don't know why I wasn't thinking. Wow, great. Okay.
So sharpen our pencils still.
Yep. Day in the life with sis. Okay. This is loud.
That was random.
Hmm?
That was random.
Okay, so I'm going to redo my dinosaur because I want it to look beautiful.
I'm not good at hard because it's going to be hard.
Like, I'm nervous for the nostrils.
I'm going to get it. It's weird.
Whatever.
I smeared it.
I'll just try.
Oh gosh.
This looks even worse. Oh my gosh, I should have just... Okay, this is my first one. I'm not good at dinosaurs, as you can see. Very horrible. But let's just check and see. I'm just going to put some little hearts. Little dots. Hopefully it gets better, guys. If it doesn't, I'm really sorry. So, let's get opening with the paints. And I think I want it to be pinkish reddish. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. So there we go. Oh, wow. I am not that good at this right now. This is my first one. Maybe I should have went, like, easier. Probably I should have. Guys, if you want to see a real artist, do not watch us.
You paper towel. You got paper towel.
My bad. Oh.
This is looking horrible.
So let it dry and it might look better.
It's not going to look better than you think. It just looks like a big blob.
Maybe you have to go through and add the fine details later.
Can I just redo it, this thing?
Well, you already painted now.
Oh my
It
gosh.
almost looks like a cactus if you just leave it. You could just have a pink cactus.
A pink cactus?
And just throw some little spikes. You know what I mean?
Sure, okay.
I got a better idea, a good idea as well.
What?
Cotton candy.
Oh, you can cotton candy.
Because when it was just like cotton, I was like, oh, cotton candy. Oh.
So I'm just going to do some spots to fill that in. This is what? So, I guess it's going to be a cactus. This is very quiet
It's
right
going to take a
now.
long time to dry because it's very thick.
Very thick.
And I actually did get like too much of the red, so I'm like,
Okay, well,
Thank
let's
you, Ricky.
sharpen up this area over here. There we go. It's kind of looking better, kind of. no!
Stretching the
Some
wings.
of the paint is falling off.
Oh
Okay, so for the little things to go over, I'm not going to do it, but the things to go over, I think I'm going to do some red because I think that would be cute. And the red, there's going to be red. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's pretty good like that. Dabbing it. Looks like a heart.
Kind of.
Looks like a heart. I can see it's a heart.
Oh no, I
could,
messed
even
it
outside the
up.
lines.
I was trying to like...
So can you
This
Fill in
is,
the middle a little bit more.
So
maybe.
can you
There you go. There, stop.
okay,
Now it's Hardy.
Hardy.
can you get the pink open?
Yeah, it's Hardy.
Ah!
That's pretty close.
It's
There,
I don't know what I'm talking about. Whisper language, you know? Why was I doing that? That's so weird.
Okay, and we'll be right back
Never tried.
with Sissy.
Ow.
And here is Sissy's hearts.
I don't know how good I am at hearts.
Looks pretty.
Thanks. Oh no. Now it just looks like an upside down triangle.
That's fine.
So here's mine so far. So there we go. I think I'm gonna put some dots. Oh no. This is looking pretty bad. So there we go. Looking pretty bad. This is gonna be a long time to dry. So there's my first one. Guys, whenever this dries, I will finish it. And I think, should we make like 2 today or just 1?
I just want for that way you can plan for another one.
You. So I'm just gonna move some of this around.
Throw the over to Sis, see what she's doing. Oh, she doesn't want us to see just yet.
A surprise. I wanted.
Hashtag surprise.
It's okay, we didn't get a very close up view, Sis.
Okay.
And then on the camera it shows very close. Oh man.
Nice.
Okay. Well, should we do like the joke of the day? And if somebody like gets the joke right, they will get a like. I meant what? If they do, they get a shout out. Should we do that?
Sure.
Should we
Okay.
do it first?
I'll do this one first because I have a good one. Okay, guys. Why was the game hot? Wait, what was it called again?
I don't know.
It's like why was the player hot after the
Oh,
game?
why was the baseball player hot after his game?
So guys, comment down below if you guys want a shout out. If you
If
got it right.
If you guys got the answer. If you guys know the answer, just comment.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the answer?
Oh.
Well, we can't tell them. We'll tell them next week.
Oh.
You
Come
guys
back for the
gotta-
next
Because
video.
what if they like don't comment now?
Okay.
Or they skip to it, and then they know the answer, and then just comment, and then they get a shout out for not even getting it right.
I wish you knew whenever like.
We'll come back to the next video for the answer.
Okay, guys. So it's pretty wet still, but I'm adding some red because I want to.
Oh
Hashtag mistake.
So, are you ready for your big reveal yet?
no. Not just yet.
Okay, well, we'll be back with Sissy's big reveal.
Okay, guys, we'll show you guys the big reveal after they're dry. So we'll see you guys when they're dry.
Not the big reveal.
Alright,
We'll add the magnet after they've dried.
yeah.
Alright, but we will show you Sissy's big reveal because hers was a secret.
3, 2, 1. Ba-bam!
Ba-bam.
Very good.
Hashtag ba-bam.
Alright,
Comment section.
we'll be back to add the magnets after they're dry.
Okay, guys, so these are finally dry. Oh my gosh! So now it's time to add the magnets. Excuse me, dorps. That's good.
You just poke one out. The cat will help you.
Oh. Nope, mine already just came out.
Then slip your tile over.
Oh, whoops.
And then stick it on the back.
Sticky.
And now you have a magnet.
Okay, is there something magnetic in here that we can try it?
No. Sorry, just go ahead and flip it over. Show us your finished product.
Woo!
Alright.
Well, guys, that's all for today. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Check out our Instagram so the button goes down. Bye, peeps!